Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. This lecture is another very quick lecture on Elastic Transcoder. Again, this is something that I haven't seen recently in the exams, however, historically it has been in there. So we're going to keep this really quick. So what is Elastic Transcoder? Well, basically, Elastic Transcoder is a way of, it's a media transcoder in the cloud. So it's a way of converting your media files from their original source format into different formats that will play on smartphones, tablets, PCs, etc. So it's a way of transcoding video to multiple different devices. And it provides the transcoding presets for popular output formats, which means that you don't need to guess about which settings work best on particular devices. So it will do it for an iPhone, it will do it for Android, it will do it for an iPhone X, it will do it for an iPhone 7, etc. And basically the way it works is it pays, you pay based on the minutes that you transcode and the resolution at which you transcode as well. And so this is how we use it at A Cloud Guru. We have an S3 bucket. Every time I record a video, I basically go onto our website and I upload that video, and it stores that video in S3. That then goes on and triggers a lambda function, which we're going to learn about in the next section of the course. And lambda essentially will look at that video, take all the metadata, and send it over to Elastic Transcoder, and it will say, hey, I need you to transcode this video so it'll look really nice on all these different devices. Elastic Transcoder goes ahead and does it in really high resolution, and then it basically stores the transcoded videos in another S3 bucket. So we use Elastic Transcoder all the time. We've been using it since 2015, since we first built the school, and it's a fantastic service. And if you want to go ahead and read our very first blog about how we use Elastic Transcoder and about our serverless school, just go to read.acloud.guru. In terms of my exam tips, just remember what Elastic Transcoder is. It's an Elastic Transcoder or a media transcoder in the cloud, and it converts media files from their original source formats into different formats that will play on smartphones, tablets, PCs, etc. So that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to look at API Gateway. We're going to go in a little bit more depth to API Gateway because you are going to need to understand it for the next section of the course when we go and build our serverless website. And then we're going to have a quick look at Kinesis and the three different types of Kinesis that there is. And then we're done for the applications, and then we're going to move on to the serverless section of the course. So if you've got the time, please join me in the next lecture. Thank you.